Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hinten an der Kreuzung, die zu den beiden Schulen führt, findet man ein riesiges Graffiti. Links ist der Himmel und rechts ist die Hölle. Zu etwas führen, führen in this case means to lead into a direction. Finden, to find. This is all the verbs there are in the first part. Kreuzung is female and means the crossroad. Das Graffiti, the graffiti. Riesig means huge. Hinten means at the back part. It can also mean behind and other things. But please remember it for now at the back at the crossroad, which leads to both schools, beiden, both schools. One finds a huge graffiti. Links, left, ist der Himmel und rechts ist die Hölle. Der Himmel is the heaven, die Hölle is the hell. Links is left and rechts is right. Sounds about right. Next page. Aber mal im Ernst, wo soll es denn besser sein als hier? Der Ernst is actually a noun and it means the seriousness. But I would recommend you to learn it as a pattern with the preposition im, because then it becomes seriously. Wo, where. And then we go to the verbs. Sollen, should, sein, to be. Besser, better, and the rest is familiar. So he says, but seriously, where should it be better als, we learned this before, than here? Then is again for emphasis. We don't need it, but of course it sounds better if we say it. So, but seriously, where is it better than here? Next one. Sind wir wirklich schlechte Menschen? Schlecht, bad, der Mensch, the human. Wirklich means really, truly. Are we truly or really bad people? Next one, right side. Alter Mann, ich sag's dir doch. Sie ist mega heiß und arbeitet im Café an der Haltestelle. Here we have two things that are wrong. This happens with open sources. We had this many times. I told you this man is English. We don't say it like this. If we want to say man, like dude or whatever, we can say Mann, not Mann with one N. And another one here. Der Kaffee means the coffee. The place coffee house is das Café. The beverage coffee is der Kaffee. So let's check out the verbs. Sagen, to say, ist, to be, arbeiten, to work. Other nouns here. Die Haltestelle, the station or the stop. Mega, heiß. Heiß is hot. Mega is for emphasis, like super hot. Alter, it's like a youth language and means like dude or bro, something like that. So let's try to translate. Dude, I'm telling you, the S here comes from it, S. I am telling it, you. Ich sag es dir doch. I'm telling you. She's super hot and works in the coffee shop at the station. Next one. Ja, ja, ja. Hast du deine Lektion noch immer nicht gelernt? Verbs, past tense, hast gelernt. Lernen, to learn. Die Lektion, the lesson. Noch nicht means not yet. Immer noch nicht, it's like still not yet. So of course he's saying, did you still not learn your lesson yet? Next one. Du warst in 4 Weiber gleichzeitig verknallt und meintest, irgendwie von denen passt zu mir. Ist ja dann kein Wunder, wenn es dann bei keiner klappt. Warst, past tense, auf be, to be, verknallt. Actually, it's an adjective in this case, means to have a crush or being in a crush. Meinen, to mean or to say. Passen, zu jemandem, means to suit to somebody. Ist, to be. Klappen, to work out or to go well. Das Weib is another word for female, but it's really rude, it's old-fashioned. Das Wunder is the miracle. Those are the nouns. Gleichzeitig means at the same time. Gleichzeitig. I think everything else we have talked about. So let's try to translate. You have been in love or having a crush at the same time with 4 women. And you meant one of them fits me or suits me. It is no miracle, kein Wunder, no miracle then, when it doesn't work with no one. And this is what he says. And the other guy answers, wo ist denn das Problem? Everything is familiar here, I think. Where is the problem? Again, then is for emphasis. Where's the problem though? This is what it means.